Hello, and welcome to another episode of Xact Hacks, brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I'm going to talk about the recycle bin. We've all been there. You've been working for hours on an estimate. Things are getting pretty complex. You're proud of yourself. Things are like shaping up. This is a good estimate. You click something, the program becomes unresponsive, and it crashes. Super frustrating.
Never happens. Never happens.
Yeah, it does happen, I know. But I'm here to tell you that there actually is a recycle bin that is automatically saving your work so that if you've lost it, you can actually restore it back to its former glory. Even if you haven't saved it recently, Xactimate is automatically saving it for you. So, where do I find this magical recycle bin that saves my life all the time? As you can see here, I'm in Xactimate 28, and I'm under the Projects tab. This is the main Xactimate screen, not an individual estimate or anything like that. And I'm going to slide over to the right, and I'm going to find Recycle Bin up here. And when I click this, it's going to bring up the estimates that I've been working on most recently. And as you can see, I'm working on some macros and some Xact Hacks and an exciting aspect of our upcoming Race with the Machines event. But all I have to do is click this and hit Restore, and it's going to bring back that estimate that I was working on whenever the program Xactimate already auto-saved it for me, even if I had not. Now, Xactimate settings are set that this autosave interval occurs every 5 minutes with the program, but you can actually change that, and I recommend it. If you hop over here to the Control Center, and you go over to Preferences, and you come down here, you'll see Autosave Interval. 0 equals off. Please do not turn your autosave off, but I've reduced mine to 2 minutes from 5. You can do a lot in 3 minutes, so I'd rather save it every 2 and make sure that I have every potential change and things that I'm working on accordingly ready for me to restore in case Xactimate crashes. Hope this tip saves some lives out there. A lot of frustration and sweat of rebuilding an estimate from scratch or hours worth of changes that you forgot to save. But hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.